Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge X40 and today I would like to show you how you can pick screen refresh rate. Start with opening Devices Settings and getting into Display. When you're ready, scroll all the way down and tap on Display Refresh Rate. Lastly, tap on one of those options to apply the best one for you. In my case, this one. When you're ready, just go back. So when I do that, as you can see, screen refresh rate of my Motorola has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!